pedal. There's a link to a chain, which is then with a contraption to a little bell. Are we supposed to do this? Am I supposed to alert people, or am I supposed to be silly? On their way out jogging or trekking or whatever they are doing, but they've got the idea that they should also push and see what's going to happen. Well, this is what happens in a reflective society, I should say, that you do what the others do and you don't do what others don't do, and you end up not being you. Let me ask those girls. Yeah, let me ask those girls and say, what does that do? There you go. Keep pushing harder. It's better than working. Innovation lab. They work for an innovative lab. Yeah, so what does it do? Does it make sound? Somebody's invested a lot of money on this contraption for some reason. And it's supposed to ring. Well, these days, there's so many sounds are ringing in people's heads, but they're not the right sounds. But what is right and what is wrong is entirely down to your own thought of mind. How pleasant it is and how unpleasant you have made yourself in running your own world. I mean, what is this doing? Whoever has done a great mechanical and a physical object which is meant to ring around and reverberate the sounds and energies far end, as far as Manhattan skyline is concerned, it probably doesn't bother it.